think it's, and what I think is really fascinating, this is what I really like about what you do at Motivait from an employee engagement side, is that you take this challenge and you turn it into and you use a digital process to do that, because there are certain companies out there who, finding ways to engage their employees is tough. That's because it's whether it's casual working, remote working, and that could be remote office working, or it could be travel companies, bus companies, train companies, where you've got people all over the country who don't go and do a central hub. How can you pass them through training, and how can you keep all these people engaged? And so having a digital solution to do that, it makes things a lot more engaging and certainly more relevant. I mean, what do you think of what are some of the main sort of things that help sort of Motivait sort of stand out in this area from the solutions that you guys put together?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I mean, again, each organisation is different, and the context is different, and the challenge is different. And again, there might be work processes or particular activities or programs or events or learning modules or other initiatives that would benefit for greater levels of buy-in, participation, or even just an increased motivation to complete. And again, it's about trying to create something that people can look at and they see that's valuable. I want to do that. It's relevant to me, and it's impactful and enjoyable. And we use a range of different techniques to try and make things engaging, for people to coming back to what I said earlier, to want to do stuff. I mean, the days of giving somebody a manual to read to learn about an operational activity. I mean, just how many manuals do we see getting used really? Not that often. They tend to gather dust on a shelf. But if you can create a digital experience that's got some gamification elements in it, for example, that people enjoy, and there's a bit of competition involved, and they can recognise a colleague who's done something really, really well. That's really powerful. And I think the technology allows you to do that type of thing, but at scale. And I think from a Motivait perspective, we're a solutions provider, so we will understand the challenge. We will understand the motivations of the particular employees who are going to be involved. We'll understand the outcomes that you're looking to achieve in terms of behaviours of the individuals and what you want the outcomes to be. And we will create a solution that is appropriate and will deliver the results that you want to see. It's not a product that's kind of sitting on a shelf and it's kind of force fitted in to try and resolve an issue. And I mean, we've seen examples of that over the years where that just typically doesn't work. Where if you create something that's designed specifically for an audience with a set of outcomes in mind, and you understand the backdrop and the context and everything else, you can put something together that is going to have impact. And that's what we're looking for. Absolutely.